Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Exness on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Exness and press search. Now tap on the Exness app from the results. Before installing, take a moment to check the app details like ratings, reviews, and the developer name to make sure it's the official app. Next, tap on install and wait for the app to download. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the installation completes without issues. Once installed, tap on Open to launch the app. Now, tap on Continue with Google to sign up quickly. Choose your Google account, then tap on Agree and Share to proceed. After that, confirm your email if required, and check the box stating that you are not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. Then tap on Continue. Next, create a strong password using a mix of letters and numbers. Then tap on Register. Now, set a secure PIN code for quick login and re-enter it to confirm. This PIN will be used every time you open the app. Once your account is created, you'll enter the main dashboard. Here you can explore options like opening a trading account, checking market prices, depositing funds, or managing your profile settings. You may also be asked to verify your identity later to unlock full features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.